Okay, there you are.
Hold on a second.
Ada yang mau? Ada yang mau? Brandon mau ya? Jovan mau? Mau. Virtual ya, virtual dulu ya.
All right, can you see the screen?
Yes, Kak Kris.
Okay, let me make it. All right, good pagi, selamat morning. It's nice to meet you again. My name is Krisanti. You remember? Remember my name? I have my new haircut. Yeah. Okay. So, have you take your breakfast? Sudah? Sudah makan pagi? All right then. Okay. So today the name of our tour is Jakarta Now 2.0. So 2.0 is Jakarta Part 2. That means we towards to the southern part of Jakarta. Yesterday you went to Pantai Indah Kapuk, right? To the north part of Jakarta with Kaira. Yeah. So how do you feel? You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Brandon and Jesha was there yesterday.
All
During the
right.
session.
Okay. So, okay. So because the topic, our topic is the Jakarta Now 2.0, that means we are going to see, explore. Can you see the video? You are going to see and explore the high-rise building or the skyscrapers in south part of Jakarta. It is along Sudirman, Jalan Sudirman and Kuningan area, which is popularly known called as CBD, Central Business District. Betul ya Kak Tia ya? CBD, Central Business District.
But yeah, I cannot hear the sound clearly.
Cannot hear the sound of Kak Kris ya?
Yeah.
Oh, you cannot.
Bu Kris tadi udah di unmute sih, cuman mungkin bisa lebih deketin ke.
Okay, Jovan, can you hear my voice clearly?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So I repeat again. So we are now towards we are heading to the south part of Jakarta. We are going to see these buildings on the film. These are the high-rise or the skyscrapers in Jakarta, on Jalan Sudirman and along Kuningan. Yeah. And then, so the purpose of the trip today are, first, you are able to admire, you are able to admire the design or the architecture of the buildings. And then second, because our final destination, we are going to see the zoo, the Ragunan Zoo. So I really kindly need your help. At the end of the day, you have to, not you, we have to preserve, the fauna, the animals. Do not kill or even deforest the tree, because they have no place to live and there is no food if we cut all the trees. And then they're getting extinct. Yeah. For example, the komodo, orang utan, babi rusa, and many others. Okay. And then sorry. Okay, so this is the itinerary. Where we're going now? Today, the itinerary is we start our tour from Duku Atas, number 1. See, Duku Atas, and then after that, we take this red bus. Yeah, this red bus along the way on Jalan Sudirman to explore the buildings, yeah, on Jalan Sudirman, and then we will stop on the number 2. It's in GBK, Gelora Bung Karno. It's in Senayan, and then from Gelora Bung Karno we go straight to Jalan Rasuna Said, and finally we will arrive in Ragunan Zoo, to Taman Marga Satwa in Ragunan, in south part of Jakarta. Who's ever been to Ragunan before?
Kak Kris, maaf, gambarnya belum
Ya.
diganti.
Oh,
Mungkin dibikin full screen ya.
oh iya, jadi harus ini ya.
Iya, jangan di full screenin.
Oke, oke. Nah, gini ya.
Ya, ini udah berganti sekarang high and unique skyscrapers on Jalan Sudirman.
Ini belum ya?
Belum.
Okay. So guys, can you see the slide clearly now? Yeah, okay. So this is the itinerary. Yeah, so I repeat again, the itinerary. First, we are going to start the tour from number 1. It's in Dukuh Atas. And then after that, we will explore Jalan Jenderal Sudirman by taking this red bus. It's called BW number 4. And then after that, when we arrive in number 2, in GBK, Gelora Bung Karno, then we continue the trip to Jalan Rasuna Said, or popularly known as Kuningan. And then we will end our tour in Ragunan, Ragunan Zoo, Taman Marga Satwa, or Kebun Binatang Ragunan. Who's ever been to Ragunan before? Teman-teman pernah? Oh, Sherina sudah. Oke. How many times? Only once. Okay, no problem. All right. So, before we get into the bus, I would like to inform you the high and unique skyscrapers on Jalan Sudirman. Since we cannot see those buildings clearly, so these are 3 most important and unique skyscrapers. First is BNI 46 or BNI 46. Yeah, this is a unique one because of the shape is like a pen, right? Yeah, the shape is look like a pen, and other people said that it is look like a sail of a boat, a wooden boat, very famous boat from South Sulawesi. It's called Pinisi. Yeah, so there are 2. You can say that, well, it looks like a pen. It's okay. No, it looks like a sail. It's okay. That's correct. Yeah. And then next to the BNI 46, there is the UOB Plaza. So these 2 buildings is close to each other. UOB Plaza is United Overseas Bank Plaza. Yeah. So actually BNI 46 is located behind the UOB. So what makes this UOB very unique? Can you guess? So the design or the architecture is look like Lego. You see the blocks here, this one, and this one. It's look like Lego, like the irregular blocks, yeah. And then the third one is Da Vinci. So in the middle of Jalan Jenderal Sudirman, you will find the Da Vinci Apartments, which is one of the most luxury and expensive buildings in Jakarta. All right. Now, so this is now we are standing on Dukuh Atas. We are waiting for the bus. So make sure that this bus, if next time or if you go with your friends or family, make sure that the stop point that you will see this sign, the city tour. When you see this sign, that means the bus will stop in every places with this kind of a sign. And then since this is a free city tour bus provided by the government, so you will get, when you get in, you will get this kind of small ticket called, it says gratis, or this free, is a free city tour. Okay, are you ready, guys?
Yay!
Okay, let's go. We take the bus. Hold on a second. Oh, saya harus bentar. Berarti harus stop ininya ya.
Stop sharing,
Harus ya, stop sharing.
pindah lagi.
Oke, pindah lagi. Kelihatan?
Belum.
Belum. Oke. Ah. Eh. Oke.
Oke, Bu.
Nah, can you see? Oke. Oke, let's go. Okay, let's go. We are getting to the bus. Just queue up here, and then we'll waiting that this man will give us the ticket. Okay, and then follow me. Follow me. We are going upstairs. Yeah, we are going to the upper deck. Okay, we are going to the upper deck and take the window side because that is the best part. Yeah, then you can see the whole view. Okay, welcome on board, ladies and gentlemen. Now we are on Duku Atas. Duku Atas is the highest point in Jakarta. Yeah, and Duku Atas, there are 3 public facilities. First is the commuter line station, is called Sudirman station, is located on the left side, and then on the right side there is BNI City Station. It is airport train station, goes straight to the airport Soekarno-Hatta, and then the last one is the bus shelter Transjakarta. And then in front of this is the Jenderal Sudirman monument. Jenderal Sudirman, he was a great hero, and he was the chief commander of the Indonesian Armed Forces. He was died in 1960 because of the tuberculosis. And then here on your right hand side, you see that is the Da Vinci, the one that I told you before, the expensive and the luxurious apartments equipped with the branded furniture from abroad. And then if you turn to the left side, then you will arrive in Karet. There are Lotte, Supermall, Mall Ambassador, and Kokas. And then now we are heading to the south part of Jakarta. Yeah, and then on your left hand side, there is the location of one of the famous private university. It's called Atmajaya Catholic University. You know it, yeah? Atmajaya. Okay, now we are heading towards the south, and in front of us, we will pass under a bridge. Do you know what is the name of the bridge? Yeah, this is Semanggi. So the name of Semanggi is taken from a leaf. So Semanggi was the first flyover in Jakarta, connected from the east and the west of the city. Semanggi is the edible herbs you can eat. Yeah, in East Java, the semanggi is served and cooked as a pecel. Yes, pecel semanggi. Yeah, and then the shape of the bridge is taken from the shape of the leaves, semanggi leaves. Okay, now in front of us, we are now entering Senayan, yes, Senayan Square, Senayan area, and this building on the left side is called Bursa Efek Jakarta. And then next to Bursa Efek, there is Pacific Place, yeah. And then here, this one on the left side, there is a MRT station, which is took us straight to Lebak Bulus. All right. Since we are in Senayan, so do you remember that 2 years ago in 2018, Indonesia has successfully hosted an international sport event called Asian Games, the 18 Asian Games in 2018. It took place in Jakarta and Palembang. And the first Asian Games in Jakarta, it was in 16 1962. So can you imagine it was 56 years ago? Yeah. Okay. So kindly prepare yourself. The bus will stop here. Yeah, the bus will stop here, and then we will get off. So please check your personal belonging. Do not leave it behind. We will get off from here. Okay. Make sure. Okay, follow me. Be careful. We will get off from the bus. Okay, so how do you feel? Do you like it, taking the bus? Yeah?
I like it.
Okay. All right. So, okay. Now, okay, so we are now we are still in GBK. So before we go to the Rasuna Said, yeah, to the Kuningan area, I would like to give you the another height and important skyscrapers in Kuningan. So we will took a taxi, yeah, we will took a taxi to go to Kuningan and ending up in Ragunan. So the first building, this one, is called KPK. Ya, Komisi Pemberantasan Korupsi. Locally people used to call it Gedung Merah Putih. Yeah, this is the Indonesian Corruption Watch Commission. And then this is the Kuningan Street or Rasuna Said. Do you know who is Rasuna Said? Rasuna Said is a lady hero. A lady hero. She's a woman, a lady. She was born in West Sumatra. Yeah, and then here there is a LRT railway. Yeah, so Kuningan is very famous for its high-rise building. There are embassies, yeah, foreign embassies, apartments, offices, hotels, and many others. Look at these two buildings. Look at these two buildings. Look, I listen to my explanation. This is one is Bakri Tower. Yeah, Bakri Tower is located in Kuningan epicentrum. So this is very sophisticated building and unique. What makes this building is very sophisticated because the building can rotate. Yeah, this building can rotate on his X. The lower part can rotate to the right. The middle part can rotate to the left. And the upper part can rotate to the right. Yeah, and on the top there is a helipad. Boom, 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 boom. So if you stuck in the traffic jam, Katia, yeah, macet, you can take the heli, shoot, and you can go here, drop, and ask the heli to parking on the top of the building. And then this one, the last one, this is the very, very tall, high, and very tall building ever in Indonesia, in Jakarta. Do you know how is the height of the building? It's 310 meters. So this building is located next to Pasar Festival in Kuningan. So this Gamma Tower is used for offices, hotels, and restaurant. Later on, at the end of this tour, I will give you a surprise. Okay, just stay tuned with Kak Tia and Kak Chris. I will give you a surprise. Okay, so before we go to the Taman Ragunan Zoo, do you have any questions, guys? No? Is everybody okay, yeah?
Still okay, Kak.
Okay. Okay, so This is the portrait, the old portrait of Raghunansu. So Raghunansu located in the olden days, in the 19th century until 1966, it's located in Cikini. Do you know where is Cikini? There is the Taman Ismail Marzuki. Or have you been to planetarium before? Yeah. If you've been to planetarium, that is exactly the first location of Ragunan. Yeah. This Taman Ismail Marzuki. So this is the statue of Mr. Ismail Marzuki. He was the great artist. He was the portrait. And then this is the present location is in Ragunan, in south part of Jakarta. Yeah. If you wonder how big the zoo was, yeah, at that time, so I'll give you the picture. There you go. So I make it big. Nah, see, this is the exactly location. So this is the Taman Ismail Marzuki. Yeah, this is the planetarium, the Institute of Art and Art in Jakarta. And this one, this is Rumah Sakit Cikini or Cikini Hospital. And who owned this land? It was Mr. Raden Saleh. Yeah, Mr. Raden Saleh was a great artist. He was a great painter, and he's good in painting animal like horse, tiger. Yeah, because his masterpiece was very famous abroad in Europe or even in other places, other country in the world. And this one in the middle, this is his house, Mr. Raden Saleh house. It's in Cikini. It still exists up till now. So see, yeah, they're still maintain and keep the Mr. Raden Saleh house, and now and it's become the Rumah Sakit Cikini or Cikini Hospital. Yeah, and not far from Cikini Hospital, I tell you, there is a very delicious food. There is a very delicious culinary. Tara! It's gado-gado bonbin. Do you know what is the bonbins come from? What is
Slide-nya
the
belum
meaning of?
berganti, Kak Kris.
Kenapa?
Nah, gado-gadonya.
Lihat, iya, mana gado-gadonya? Kita
Oh,
ngiler, gambar nggak muncul.
oh gambar nggak muncul.
Nah, lu.
Oh, karena saya ini lagi saya full screen. Maaf, maaf, maaf.
Nih.
Nah, so this is gado-gado bonbin. So can you guess what is the bonbin meaning? It's related to my previous story, the house of Raden Saleh. Bonbin is
Binatang.
yeah, right. So this gado-gado bonbin was open since 1960. Wow, it's look like your grandma, same like your grandma age, yeah, 1960. This is a very good gado-gado, to my opinion, yeah. Why gado-gado bonbin still exists is because of the secret recipes. And what makes this gado-gado so delicious and so yummy is because of they roast, yeah, not fry. They roast the peanuts. Yeah, they roast the peanuts, and after that they cook until it becomes a very delicious sauce. Served with kerupuk udang, lontong, tofu, tempe, kentang, and fresh vegetables. And people used to call it gado-gado siram, not gado-gado ulek. Ya, gado-gado siram. I'm hungry, Kak Tia. Okay, and then next one, it's not only gado-gado they sell, they also sell ini apa namanya asinan, veggie asinan, ya, with kerupuk, peanuts, and hot and spicy sour sauce. Okay, all right. Now we go to enter the Ragunan Zoo. Okay, just a minute. I will stop share and we will go to see the collection of the inside the zoo. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Bisa kelihatan?
Kelihatan, belum kelihatan videonya sih.
Oh. Oke.
Okay, meanwhile we wait for Kak Chris with the video, let us greet Sherina's brother. Hello Samuel, the Indo travel guy. What is this Indo travel guy? Is that your Instagram name or is it what you like to be known of?
Yes, most of in.
Apa tuh? Nggak kedengeran.
Most of in. So,
Gede.
itu dari tadi dia ngomong Indo Travel itu YouTube channel, katanya YouTube channel
Oh,
orang
YouTube
yang
channel.
Oh, YouTube channelnya siapa? YouTube channel Samuel bukan?
Ya, bukan.
Oh, bukan.
You do like sour, don't you, Serena?
Udah kelihatan Kak Tia? Belum?
Belum.
Oh.
Mungkin dibuka dulu filmnya, terus udah gitu jangan di full screen Bu Chris, terus udah gitu baru di-share.
Oke.
Brandon, how do you remember Sherina like sour?
I was thinking if Sherina likes sour.
Okay, and then if she likes sour, and then what? Would you send her something sour?
Well, he likes ice cream.
He or she?
She likes ice cream.
He likes ice cream. Do you also like ice cream?
Yes.
Good. Okay, let's greet another friend. Jovan, are you still there?
Yes, I am.
Where did you go yesterday?
Yesterday. I don't go anywhere. I just in home.
Really? I thought you went to the supermarket with your mom.
Oh iya, aku go to supermarket.
You go to supermarket.
Ya.
What did you buy?
10 packs of Yakult.
Did you buy egg too?
Egg.
Why? I thought you like eggs.
Yes, I like eggs.
But you didn't buy egg.
Yes, because it's full at home.
Oh, still at home. Good, good, good. Okay, now the video is on.
Okay.
Kak Kris, lanjut.
Yeah. Ya. Nah.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is the orang hutan. Yeah, so the word of orang hutan derives from orang hutan, man of the forest. So this orang hutan is the great ape, lives in Kalimantan and Sumatra. And then the height can be reached up to 1.5 meter and the weight can reach about 100 kilograms. Yeah, the male orang hutan, the male can reach, see my hand can reach this hand from, if we stretch this hand from finger to finger, can be about 2 meters, 2 meters long. Yes, very long, the male orangutan. And then orangutan spend most, orangutan spend most of this time on the tree. Yeah, they live, they eat and sleep on the tree. And then they can climb, swing, or even from branch to branch. And then the female orangutan can give a birth, yeah, once every 8 years. Yeah, once every 8 years. So this is the bear. It is a local bear from Sumatra. Yeah, it has a dark hair or furs. Yeah, dark hair. And then next, well, this one, can you guess? This is lutung. Yeah, lutung. So I will stop. See the face. This is lutung. Yeah, lutung. We can find lutung in Java, Bali, and Lombok. What makes lutung so unique? The baby of lutung, when it borns, the color is orange. Yeah, the hair color is orange, and when it becomes bigger and bigger, and slowly it turns to the dark, thick black hair, like the mother. Yeah, and then I will show you later on the uniqueness of and this one. See, what is this? Oh, this man is bringing a very good camera picture, so he can zoom. Yeah, he can zoom the eyes. This is a wild boar. Yeah, this is a wild boar, babi hutan. Yeah, so he can zoom the eyes, the nose. Yeah, so actually the wild boar eats the umbi-umbian, or how do you say it? Apa ya, Kak Tia, umbi-umbian? Starch.
Some fruits
cassava, yeah, look like cassava.
Grows under soil.
Yeah, and this is deer. Yeah, last week when you were going, we went to remember to Bogor, in front of the palace there are a lot of deer. Yeah, the deer which bring from Myanmar, bring from Burma, in Southeast Asia. They live really in the palace. Ah, this one. Can you guess what is this? What kind of bird? This one?
Ostrich.
Sorry? Ostrich. Yeah. So I will stop this video. This ostrich, yeah. Can you see the? Okay. So ostrich is the biggest bird in the world. You see the claw, yeah. It's the biggest bird in the world. They cannot fly. Yeah, the height is about 2.7 meters until 3 meters. It has a long neck, long leg, and a strong feet. Yeah, and it has a bulky body. Ostrich cannot fly, but he's a faster runner. And okay, I have to post this one because I haven't finished tell you about ostrich. If the ostrich is in a danger, that means the ostrich is surrounded by what a predator like lion, cheetah, who would like to kill and eat the ostrich, ostrich can kick, can kick the predator until they will die. It's because he has a very strong leg, a big and very strong leg. And then, sorry, I have to. Nah, this one I just want to show you. This ostrich has each of 2 foot, is armed with a 10 centimeters. If it is not clear, nah, this one. This foot armed with the 10 centimeters claw, and it's very sharp. It's very sharp. And during the breeding season, the male ostrich will try to attract the female one by what? The male ostrich will dancing. The male ostrich will dancing, and they swing the body, the neck, and the tail to attract the female one. All right. So again, see, the claw is very sharp. 10 meters. And now this is the crocodile. Crocodile is a giant reptiles and is a good predators. Have a very sharp teeth, very sharp teeth, and have a strongest bite of any animal in the world. And crocodile can survive for a month without food. You can just swim or lay down on the shady place, and mostly of them they live in the fresh river and a lake. Wow, what is this? Hippo, the hippopotamus. Do you know hippo means horse, and potamus means river. So it's horse river. Hippopotamus. It's a very big. And hippopotamus it is a large semi-aquatic mammalia. And consider is the largest animal in the earth. Hippo spend most of the time in the river or in the lake. So mostly the eyes, ears, and the nose is placed on the upper head. So that's why they can stay in the water. And this is Kasuari. Up till now, the scientists didn't know what is the purpose of this this one, the tanduk. They don't know what is the purpose, but Kasuari has a very beautiful color. This is originally from Papua, from Irian Jaya. The body is look like ostrich, but less powerful and less strong than the ostrich. Okay, I'll do. He is eating mostly it eats the fruits. Okay, so I will make it this film faster. We are going to see another. Nah, this one, it is babi rusa. This is a very bizarre pig. Very bizarre pig because it has a trunk here. You see, there is a trunk which is grow from in the middle of this nose. And what is the purpose of this trunk is still in mysterious, mystery, because there is a popular, but it is not true that the babi rusa use this trunk to hang, to hang from the tree, waiting for the female pass by. The second one, the second reason is those trunk is used to clear brush for the female and the young babi rusa.
Kak Kris.
Oh, ya.
Just to remind you, another 10 minutes from the tour.
Oh, okay, okay. Now, okay, we will ending this, and then we'll go to the another collection. Okay, we will go to another collection. I will close this film. Okay, and we will see the kelihatan ini?
Belum.
Oh, belum. Oke. Nah, ini bisa?
Belum. Filmnya belum.
Oh, belum. Belum juga. Oke. Sudah?
Belum.
Oh. Oke. Let me repeat it again.
Nah, while we
Nah,
wait for Kak Kris, who said earlier that been to Ragunan before? Who raised their hands? Sherina ya, or Jesha? Oh, Joshua also, you've been to Ragunan before? No, Joshua never. Who has been to Ragunan? Oh, Sherina, you've been to Ragunan. Jesha also, you've been to Ragunan. Can you share with us what did you remember? What did you remember when you were at Ragunan? Your experience. From your experience, you still have any how to say memory when you were at Ragunan? Jesha?
Yeah, I remember so in Ragunan we can rent a bike.
Did you rent the bike?
We can rent a bike to go to all of the places in the zoo.
Okay.
To see the animals in the zoo. And me and my brother, we go. Me and my cousin, we go around the zoo with a bike.
Oh, that's
together
good.
and play.
Good.
And
How about you, Sherina? What did you remember?
sudah kelihatan Kak Tia ininya?
Sudah, Kak Kris.
Oke.
Wait until Sherina sharing
Alright.
her story. Masih ingat nggak lagi ke Ragunan? Atau lagi kapan? When did you go to Ragunan?
Udah lupa waktu dulu pas lagi kelas 5 atau kelas 4 SD deh.
Oh, okay. No problem. Now, hoping that from Kak Kris video can ignite again your memory. Go ahead, Kak Kris, lanjut.
Alright, lanjut. Okay, now we go to Smoothers. Yeah, this is the Pusat Primata Smoother or Smoother Primate Center. We can see the gorilla. Yeah, so gorilla is actually found in Central Africa, and then they live. Some of the gorilla lives in the forest. Some gorilla live in the mountain. And then gorilla is herbivore. That means, see, they eat the fruits, yeah, vegetables. They give many kind of the food to gorilla. And for male gorilla, it can eat about 25 kilo per day. 25 kilo food per day, yeah. And then male can grow about 1.7 meters high, and then the weight is around until 200 kilograms. They have a long arm, even longer than the leg. They use their long arm to walk, yeah, to walk, and then when the gorilla is getting older, so the hair at the back is turned to white or turned to gray. So that's why the old gorilla is called silverback, because the back here, the hair on the back is getting gray. Yeah, the silverback gorilla. So at Primatas posters, it was they make this trip they make this conservation just similar to their natural habitats. Yeah, so there are gorilla, there are chimpanzee, there are siamang, lutung. Yeah, this one is lutung, the white lutung and the black lutung. Yeah, and then there's also another orangutan, yeah, who conserved here. See, so this is the keepers give the gorilla food, and then all right, and then let me forward this, make it faster. Nah,
Pemberiannya ini free.
okay, so
Seperti gorila ini minimum
gorilla minimum per day he eats 3 times or 4 times. First is in the morning 9 o'clock, in the afternoon at 12 o'clock, and then at 3 o'clock they give the healthy and good food. And then after that, what else? Yeah, there is the baby, yeah, baby zoo. So Smutzer is the name of a lady. She is a Germany. She she fond of the gorilla, so that's why she donated his money, his passion on gorilla and other apes of Indonesia. Okay, I think we finished. Yeah, we finished seeing these collections. I will stop this video. Okay, and then after that, all right. So belum kelihatan ya, Kak Tia?
Videonya belum, Kak Kris,
Oh,
masih.
bukan. Ininya, PowerPoint-nya.
Udah.
Udah ya? Oke. Okay, so this is the Smutzer, that one that, okay. Now, look, what is the difference between the orangutan of Kalimantan and Sumatra? See the face? This is the male. Yeah, this is the male orangutan. Has a large face with the cheek, yeah, with the large cheek like this. And then the color of the hair of orangutan from Kalimantan is dark brown, while the color of the orangutan from Sumatra is brown, little bit orange. Yeah, it has no cheek like this. Yeah, so this is the difference. And then this one, you see the finger of gorilla. It's look like human. Yeah, it's look like us, like our finger. Yeah, and do you know what is this? This is an egg of what? Who can answer this one? This is an egg of
Ostrich.
ostrich. Yeah, the weight of the egg of ostrich, it can be 1.5 until 2 kilograms. And this one, it is the chicken egg. Yeah, it's so tiny, so small compared to the ostrich egg. And then this one, you see the babirusa, the trunk, yeah, the trunk of babirusa. This is still in mystery. Don't know what is the purpose of this trunk. And then see this one, this is the lutung. This is the kid, the baby. When it was born, the color is orange, and when he is growing up, it becomes the dark black shiny hair like his mom. And when the baby of orangutan is stay with his mom until 6 or 7 years until the baby get necessary skill, yeah, like swinging, jumping, or making a nest on the tree. Okay, so because we have been traveling so long time, so actually in close to Marga Satwa, there is a very popular food, is Betawi food, is in Haji Muhayyar restaurant. We'll see what kind of food do they sell. Oh, kan harus itu video lagi ya. Never mind, because it will. I will skip this one. Okay, now we go to the. Okay, I will stop share, and then I will go to our last. Can you see the film?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Oh, belum ya. Oke.
Ada yang bawa snack nggak? Mau snack nggak? Wah, Brandon nomor 1, Joshua. Oh, you're smiling, happy to see your smile.
Mau.
Jovan mau. Mari kita buka.
Mari buka, mari.
Lewat virtual.
Kelas berikutnya bawa snack ya. Oh, wah. Kasih gambar lagi dulu.
Adanya permen.
Maunya, Jovan doyannya permen. Udah,
Iya.
nanti kalian
Permen.
mau.
Ini
Juga.
Ini ya, Katia bisa ya?
Belum, videonya belum Kak Kris.
Oh, belum. Bentar, belum lagi.
In the chat is quite rame ya. Between Brandon and Sherina. And siapa lagi nih? And Samuel nih. Brandon say to Sherina, you scared of lion and ostrich. Right, Sherina? Jovan, now you come to the chat. Kalian bisa pakai ya chatnya buat komunikasi nih. Kan teman-temannya ada nama-namanya tuh. Kenalan aja. Tak bisa Kakak Kris?
Sebentar. Oke.
You see if the lion eat you.
Ini?
Masih belum bisa, Bu Kris? Masih belum muncul
Iya,
gambarnya?
belum bisa. Oke.
Yang terakhir tentang makanan ya.
Iya, kok Jovan tahu?
Yeah, I will take you to the highest building in Jakarta.
Nah, ini yang menarik nih.
Mm-mm.
Can I help you with that, Bu Kris?
Hold on a second.
Lion is your nightmare. Ooh. Guys, what are you doing during the holiday? What's your plan? Jovan?
Main gadget always. What happened?
What happened? Jovan, what is your plan for your holiday? Yours already school holiday, right?
Yeah. But it stay the same. I just have to stay at the home.
Oh, you
Cannot go anywhere.
You don't go anywhere except to supermarket with your mom, right?
Yes.
And I
Belum,
think
belum bisa Katia ya?
Belum
kelihatan?
Belum. And I think Joshua will have a graduation on Monday, right, Joshua?
Boring.
And will you have the graduation online or do you go somewhere?
Online.
Online. Anybody else will have graduation soon?
Me.
Jesha ya. Kapan?
On Monday.
Oh, Monday as well. Good.
On 15. The 15th of June. On 15 June.
15 June. Congratulations for all of you who has graduated, ya. Cannot wait. Bu Kris, I think time is up. Try once again. Okay, I think it's still not working out, but that's all right. Unfortunate. So maybe we'll just send the video, put it on share the link with the rest of the kids.
Oke.
Ya.
Belum bisa juga ya nih ya.
Iya.
Iya.
Because the time is up now. So.
Alright. I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. The connection or I don't know what's going on in here.
That's okay, Bu Kris. It happens when we are working together with technology and gadgets.
Yeah.
Always happen. All right. So thank you, Kak Kris.
Thank you so much.
Kak Kris. Let's make an applause.
No.
Okay. Now we come to the third session.
If I bring you Ryan, you'll be
going to play.
Part 2. Nope.
Okay.
Game on. No.
Game on. So for those who wants to join the game, please open their videos so that I can see whenever you raise your hands.
Okay.
Or if you don't want to open your video, also fine. Just make sure that you are always ahead of your friends when you are raising your hands from Zoom. Okay. In Zoom, in case you don't know, there is a reaction to raise your hands or an icon where you can press and raise your hands. But the best part will be, for best result is you open your video and then you just raise your hand immediately. All right. Yes, Sherina, you want to ask something? No? Okay. If you're asking if Samuel can join the game, yes, of course he can join the game if he wants to. All right. And from now on, I will turn off the chat. So just for your information, I will not be able to respond on the chat. All right. So everything we will just doing by video. Now, we have 3 parts. The first part will be speak and spell. I will give you a hint, one sentence hint, and you must answer. You have the chance of 10 seconds to answer it. If within 10 seconds you cannot answer, and then your next friend will get the chance to respond. Okay? And this pick and spell will have 2 rounds. Each of you will get 2 chances. Okay, we will do sequentially. I will mention your name, then you get to answer. Ready? Ready. Let me greet Javier. Javier, are you on with the game?
What?
Will you join the game? Come, it's fun. Ayo.
Yeah, I don't understand. How do I play the game? I still don't understand.
Oke, Jovan, nanti Katia akan kasihkan satu kata, satu kalimat. Nanti Jovan sebutkan dan spell. Spelling pakai bahasa Inggris. Jawabannya apa? Paham ya? Gampang.
Boleh lah.
Boleh ya, Javier ya?
Ya udah.
Oke. Kamu bisa buka videonya nggak?
Oke.
Oke, good. Let's start. The sequence will be Jesha, Sherina, Javier, Joshua, Brandon, and Jovan.
And Dina
We
too.
start with Jesha first. We start with Jesha. Question number 1. When we were on the bus with Kak Chris earlier, we passed by a university in Jalan Sudirman. What is the name of the university? Speak and spell.
Atmajaya.
That's right. Please spell for me.
A T M A D A Y A.
Repeat once again. You are missing one word, one letter. Not missing, sorry. You pronounce the wrong letter.
A T M A D A.
No, not G.
J
Yes, J is a J.
A Y.
Okay, good. You got the star. And then now next is Sherina. Sherina, where is Sherina? Oh, okay, up there. One of the skyscrapers in Jalan Tamrin, near Bundaran HI. There is one building looks like a Lego. It's unique. What is the name of the building?
It's named like
What is the name of the building? You can check the answer in the chat. There is one.
yes.
Huh?
Wait a minute.
Okay, you got 10 seconds.
For me, the chat is gone.
Sherina, 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I have to pass this to your friend. Javier, would you know the answer?
No.
One of the skyscrapers building in Jalan Tamrin that looks like a Lego construction. Gedungnya model kayak Lego, susun-susun begitu. Namanya apa? What is the name? Ten seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, pass. I think the answer is UOB Plaza. Remember? Ring a bell? UOB Plaza. Okay. Now is Javier's turn. Okay. I give you the questions of let me see an easier one. What kind of animal is kasuari?
A bird.
That's right. Can you please spell it?
Kasuari.
Kasuari. Okay, good. And how do you spell bird?
BIRD.
Very good. There you got the start. Next is Joshua. What kind of animal is What
What? I cannot hear that question.
What kind of animal is a lutung?
Is a gorilla?
No. Lutung. What kind of animal? Is it a bird? Is it a bird? Is it a kind of fish? Is it kind of mammals?
It's a kind of,
Lutung. Do you remember lutung?
yes.
Okay. What does it look like? The shape.
They born with orange skin.
Yes, that's right. What
They
kind of animal is it?
mammal.
Similar like what? No, not a mammals.
Similar like a gorilla.
Similar like
Monkey.
yes, that's right. Okay, can you spell? Can you spell monkey?
Monkey.
Okay, good. Next is Brandon.
And don't forget Dino.
Okay, Brandon.
Huh?
Your turn.
Wait, what's the question?
Kak Chris mentioned that there is Asian Games. Asian Games in 2018 in Indonesia. Right? Do you remember? Do you remember she mentioned this? Okay, I changed the questions. These Asian Games in Indonesia in 2018 are held in 2 cities in Indonesia. One of it is the capital city of Indonesia.
The capital city of Indonesia.
The capital city of your country, the place where you live today. What is it?
Place where you live.
Yeah, where Brandon lives.
Skyscraper?
The name of the city.
The name of the city. Yeah.
This tour, where do you go? Do you go to Bandung? Do you go to Bogor? Or do you go where?
Jakarta?
Yes. Can you spell that?
G, Jakarta. G,
No G,
A.
not G, not G. You repeat the same mistake as Jesha.
Wait.
Jakarta, how do you spell it?
J,
Yes, J.
A,
Good.
A, R, T, A.
Good. You got the star.
Don't forget
Jovan.
Dino.
And your Dino got the star. Jovan, your turn. How do you spell? Do you know that the Asian Games in 2 cities, right? One is in Jakarta. Do you remember what is the second city? A city where the food of empek-empek comes from. Biasa pempek dari mana?
Palembang.
Good. Can you spell that?
Palembang.
Good. Palembang. You got the star. Now, we come to the second round of this part, speak and spell. All right? There is this restaurant that sells a special food of Jakarta, and it has been there since 1969. The food consists of many vegetables with peanut sauce. What is the name of the food? This goes to Jesha.
Yeah, you go. I'm going to get the reward. And the reward is all myself. What is the person?
The name of the food that is located, which restaurant is located in Jalan Cikini and has existed since 1969. This food
Gado Bonbin.
Yes, that's right. Can you spell that?
Gadobonbin.
Good. You got the star. Sherina, I give you an easy one for you. The biggest bird in the world that cannot fly, but it can run so fast. What is it?
Ostrich.
Good. Spell that for me, please.
Ostrich.
Good. C-H. C-N-H. Good. You got the star. And then now next to Javier. Javier, your turn.
Yeah.
There is this kind of animal in Ragunan where the name or the shape looks like my shirt. What is it? What animal is it?
A monkey.
What is the name of the animal? It is a kind of a monkey, but what is the name of the animal?
Luron.
No. You see, like my shirt.
King Kong. No. Another King Kong.
No. Okay. Then I have to give this question next to Joshua. Okay, Joshua, answer it.
Orang utan.
That's right. Orang utan. Please spell that.
ORANGUTAN.
Good. You got the star. Comes to Brandon. Brandon,
Yeah.
your turn.
Where's the question?
The kind of animal that is the one. Okay, this may be, the spell might be a little bit difficult, but it has in the chat. Okay, this animal is big one. Big animal.
A big animal?
A big animal. It spends most of its time in the water. It's not a fish.
The crocodile?
Okay. Well, crocodile also spend most of its time in the water. All right. Anyway, can you spell crocodile?
Crocodile. CROCODILE.
Good. Yes, you spelled that right. Jovan, your turn.
Yes.
Your turn. What transportation did we use in the beginning of the tour?
Bus.
Yes, bus. Can you spell that?
Yes. BUS.
Good. All right. We come now to the second part. True or false?
True or false? This is going to be so easy.
Are you sure? If you listen well, it's easy. If you don't listen well, it's a bit difficult. All right.
What?
True or false? We will have 2 rounds as usual. Okay. So the first question, but this time, first come, first serve. Means you have to raise your hands, and the fastest one will get the chance to reply. Okay. Javier, in this part, I think you should open your video if you want to join, and then make sure you raise your hand as fast as possible. On the count of 3, okay? Now, first question. Jelas ya pertanyaannya ya? Instruksinya jelas ya? Okay. Questions number 1. A high-rise building is called skyscraper. 1. Yes, Javier, you raise your hands.
It's true.
That's true. Correct. Second round. Not second round. Second question. Which the best part on the bus, on the red bus that we hop on during the tour today? The place to sit for having the most satisfying view is on the lower deck window seat. Yes, Javier?
And false.
False. If it false, where would it be?
At the top deck.
Upper deck, and then by the window seat. Good. You got the star. Next question. Gado-Gado Bonbin, the name of the restaurant, has been existed since 1970. Brandon.
False.
When is it?
1960.
1969, but still you still get the star. Okay. Next question, number 4. The name of the bridge that we passed by during the tour on the bus near to Atmajaya University. The name is Jembatan Merah Bridge. True or false? Jesha. The bridge near Atmajaya University that we passed by, the name is Jembatan Merah Bridge. Is that true or false? Just give true or false, Jesha. Use your chance.
It's true.
Unfortunately, it's false. The name is, okay, let's try Sherina. Sherina,
False.
what is the name?
False.
What is the name?
Jembatan Semanggi.
That's right. Okay. Sherina, you got the star. And then now, next question. Ostrich can fly. Brandon.
Dia garuk kepala, bukan angkat tangan.
Oh, okay. Good, Jovan. I'm sorry. Brandon, I will dismiss these questions. We will come to the next question, okay? So, lower down your hand and I will count to 3. Lutung is a kind of a monkey. 1, not yet. 1, 2, 3. Yes, Sherina.
True.
Good. Next. One of the road where skyscrapers in Jakarta is located, the name is Sudirman Road. True or false? 1, 2, 3. Yes, Jovan.
True.
Good. You got the star. Next. Kasuari bird comes from an island in Indonesia. Not yet, Xavier. The name is Kalimantan Island. True or false? 1, 2, 3. Joshua.
False.
Where is it from?
Papua.
Good. You got the star. Next. 2 last question. Javier, I see you're raising your hand, but please raise your hand on the count of 3, okay? Now, the specialty of gado-gado Bonbin is because of the peanut sauce. They fried the peanuts. True or false? 1, 2, 3. Joshua.
False. They roast the kacang.
Good. They roast the peanuts.
Peanuts.
Last question on this part. Rasuna Said is a national hero. Okay? Now, she is a female hero. True or false? 1, 2, 3. Brandon. Okay. I will dismiss this question, give you another one. Hippopotamus is one of the animal in the Ragunan Zoo. It spends most of its time on the tree. Hippopotamus, one of the animal in Ragunan Zoo. It spends most of its time on the tree. 1, 2, 3. Javier.
False.
False. Where do it spend most of its time?
In water.
In the water. Good. 1 star for you. That's it for the part 2. You want some more questions for part 2 and gain more stars?
Not really.
Okay. Before that, let's hear the collection of the stars. Kak Devani and Kak Anissa, can you help me to calculate the stars collection as of now, please? Here with me have Kak Devani and Kak Anissa. They are the class assistants. So, Kak Devani?
For Jesa. For Jesa. God.
Devani, Anissa.
Halo, Bu.
Iya. Okay, now I hear your voice.
For Jesa, 5 star.
5 star for Jesha.
For Jovan, 5 star.
Jovan 5 stars.
Jovan, 4 star.
Jovan 4 stars. Jovan 4 or 5?
Wait. Jesha 6 stars.
Sorry?
Jesha 6 stars.
Jesha got 3 stars.
6.
6, okay.
Javier, 4. Javier, 2 star.
5.
Javier 5 stars. Okay, Devani, can you calculate the whole thing, please?
Jesha 6 stars.
Yes.
Jovan 5 star.
Yes.
Javier 5 stars.
Okay.
Sherina 7 stars.
Yes.
Joshua 5 stars.
Yes.
Brandon 5 stars.
Okay, good. So now, I will give an extra 6 questions for the true or false part. Each questions get 2 stars. Okay. Now, 6 questions. Are you ready? Nah. Ragunan Zoo is located in the south of Jakarta. Ragunan Zoo is located in the south of Jakarta. 1, 2, 3. Javier.
True.
Good. True. 2 stars for you. Next question. The biggest bird in the world is one of the collection in Ragunan Zoo. And the name is Kasuari. 1, 2, 3. Joshua.
False.
What's the name?
Ostrich.
Good. 2 stars for you. Next. Gorilla is also one of the collection in the zoo. When it grows older, the hair on its back do not change color. That's why he is called silver gray gorilla. 1, 2, 3. Joshua,
False.
why?
Because when gorilla grow older, their hair becomes white. That's why they're called silver.
Good. 2 stars for you. Next. Bundaran HI. Bundaran HI is the starting point of Jalan Sudirman. 1, 2, 3. Brandon. Yes, that's true. Good, 2 stars for you. Next. In Cikini, near to the Gado-Gado Bonbin restaurant, there is one place where we can view the stars, and it's called planetarium. True or false? 1, 2, 3. Yes, Javier.
True.
Good, true. One more. The Asian Games in Indonesia. The Asian Games in Indonesia. It was held in the year of 2017. True or false? 1, 2, 3. Yes, Joshua.
False. It was held in 2018.
Good. Okay. One last question for this part number 2. Okay. Gorilla. Gorilla. Gorilla likes to live in the beach. Gorilla likes to live in the beach. 1, 2, 3. Yes, Javier.
False.
Where? If not in the beach, where do gorilla live?
In the forest.
In the forest and in the mountain. Good. All right. Very well. So let's hear again from Kak Devani. How is the scoring for the stars collection today?
Yeah.
Jesha, how many stars, Kak Devani?
For Jessia, 6 stars.
6. Sherina?
Sherina, 7.
Good. Javier?
Javier, 10.
Javier 10. Joshua?
11.
11. And then Brandon?
Brandon, 7.
5.
Brandon, how many?
7.
7. Jovan?
Jovan, 5.
Jovan 5. Okay. Now the last part is where you get the bonus, because each of the questions you will receive 3 stars. So even Jovan, unfortunately Jovan gaining another 6 stars. Good for you. All right. So let's start from Jesha. Share to care. 2 things that you remember the most about the session, and 1 other friend's name that you would like to invite in the next session.
Yeah.
It can be your friend, it can be your cousin.
I remember Ragunan and Gado-Gado Bonbin.
Ragunan and Gado-Gado Bonbin. Okay, good. And then you have a name of your cousin or your friend that you would like to invite?
I would like to invite my cousin.
Yes. Let's do that.
Cleosa.
Siapa namanya?
Cleosa.
Sorry?
Cleosa.
Okay. Good. Then you will invite your cousin next session, ya. And then Sherina, how about you?
I must remember when at Ragunan when Kak Chris is explain about the gorilla, ostrich, and lutung.
Gorilla, ostrich, and Luto. Very good. So, share one friend's name that you would like to invite.
I want to invite Gianna.
Gianna who? Your friend from previous session, or you have a friend named Gianna?
Previous session. She already joined.
Okay. So you want to invite Gianna again. How about your classmates, or do you have any best friends, or you have any cousins that you would like to invite in the session? Or you can even invite Samuel next session, okay?
Okay.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Next, how about Javier? Javier is the first time in the session. So, what do you remember the most from this session?
I remember most about the animals.
The animals. Which animals particularly?
Mostly like crocodiles, ostriches, and hippos.
Good. Do you have any friends you would like to invite?
I'll invite one of my classmates,
You have a name?
Marshall.
Marshall. Okay, thank you. Next is Joshua.
I remember the most with the Kaguna Zoo animals like ostrich, gorilla, lutung, crocodile, and hippopotamus. And I also remember about gado-gado.
Gado-gado. It's about time for us to have lunch. Yeah, very soon. Okay, so tell me your friend that you would like to invite in the session. Anybody? Or even you have a cousin or your brother, sister. Not yet. Okay, no problem. Never mind. Next is Brandon. What do you remember the most from this tour?
Here, I'll show you in the chat.
You show me on the chat. Okay. You remember about It Sherina and Snow Leopard. Okay, Sherina, I noted. Meanwhile, Brandon typing in the chat, let's go to Jovan. Jovan, what do you think? What do you remember the most from this session?
Gado-gado bonbin.
Gado-gado bonbin, definitely. And then?
But I don't like the gado-gado. I like the peanut.
You like, I thought you like egg.
Yes, I like egg, but I like peanuts too.
Okay, that's good. How about your friend? Do you have any friends you would like to invite?
No. Just Coco Kevin.
Just Coco Kevin. Okay, that's very well. Brandon, I still wait for your typing in the chat.
Yeah, I'm done. Skyscraper and gator.
What is gator?
Gator, it looks like a crocodile, but it looks a lot bigger than the crocodile.
Alligator. It's alligator.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
do you have any friends you would like to invite?
let's see.
Let's see. Okay. Meanwhile, you scrolling into your contacts and your friends list. So let's go to the stars collection, the final one. So each of you will get 6 stars for this part 3. Okay. So let's hear from Kak Devani. How many stars finally that you all receive?
Yang part 3 tadi 3 kan Bu nilainya?
Yep, betul. No, 6.
Oh,
Because there are 6. Because there are 2 questions there.
berarti ditambahin 3 semua ya?
Are we ready?
Yes. For Jesha, 12.
Yesha, you have 12.
Jovan, 10.
Jovan, 10.
Javier, 15.
Javier, 16.
Yes.
And then
15. Javier, 15.
15.
Yes.
Joshua,
Joshua, 17.
17. And then how about Brandon?
Brandon, 10.
Brandon 10. Okay, so for today's session, we have 4 who will receive a reward from TNT, from Katia. Please wait for the rewards in the next 2 weeks. All right.
What is it?
What is
What is
it?
the reward?
Oh, it's a secret. It's something to do that
Who got the
The
prize?
reward.
Jesha, Sherina, Javier, and Joshua. So
Yeah,
make sure-
I already saw my.
In the next 2 weeks?
Yes, it will arrive at your home in the next 2 weeks maximum. Okay. For Brandon, I'm sorry, this time you will not get your spaghetti.
Spaghetti?
But I already I already do the check.
You already did the chat. Okay, guys, we have come to the end of our session. So these are in the store for you next. Next week, on Friday, we will go and travel to Bandung. We will explore some more what Bandung City has to offer us for tourism. And then the next day is Bandung 2.0, episode 2.0, where we go a little bit outside of Bandung City. It's still nearby. And then the week after, we'll go to Tangerang Chinatown. This something that you will learn, and we will learn about the Chinese culture in Tangerang City. And then the last but not least, in June, we will have Jakarta Urban Legend. What is urban legend? It's something to do with night touring, where there is some spooky or horror kind of story. So if you like that kind of fun but comedian horror story, do come on the episode number 14. Okay, and plus again, awaits for the reality trips in July. Until then, thank you very much to joining this session with Katia. So we will see each other again by next week. Okay?
This time I have no present.
Nope, this time no presents for you, Jovan. I'm really sorry.
But later.
But later, yes, later you have to put more effort that you can receive the reward.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much. Bye everyone. Have a nice weekend with your family at home. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
I miss.